Hello, hi GBNs, Namaste. My name is Asif Ali, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic, Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur. Topic is MRI, Magnetic Resonance Imaging. Definition: MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, is a technique that uses a magnetic field and radio wave to create detailed image of the organs and tissue within your body. History: Nikola Tesla discovered the rotating magnetic field in 1882 in Hungary. Nikola Tesla discovered the rotating magnetic field in 1882 in Hungary. All MRI machines are calibrated in Tesla unit. The strength of a magnetic field is measured in Tesla or Gauss unit. The strength of a magnetic field is measured in Tesla or Gauss unit. 1 Tesla is equal to 10,000 Gauss. 1 Tesla is equal to 10,000 Gauss. Low field MRI under 0.2 Tesla. Low field MRI, magnetic field strength under 0.2 Tesla. 2000 Gauss is equal to mid field MRI 0.2 0.6 Tesla, 2000 to 6000 Gauss. High field MRI 1 Tesla to 1.5 Tesla, 10,000 to 15,000 Gauss. In 1973, Paul Lauterbach, a chemist, produced the first NMR image. On 3 July 1977, the first human scan was made as the first MRI prototype. Mechanism of action: magnetic field temporarily realign hydrogen atoms in your body. Radio wave cause these aligned atoms to produce signal. Signal used to create cross-sectional anatomy, cross-sectional MRI image. Component of MRI machine. There is a horizontal tube that runs through the magnet and is called a bore. Most MRI magnets use a magnetic field of 0.5 to 2 Tesla. The magnetic field is produced by passing current through multiple coils that are inside the magnet. Component of MRI. Component of MRI. There are three different gradient coils located within the main magnet. Each one of these produce three different magnetic field that are each less strong than the main field. Radio frequency coils. Radio frequency coils transmit radio frequency wave into the patient's body. Transmit radio frequency wave into the patient's body. There are different coils located inside the MRI scanner to transmit wave into different body parts. If a certain area of the body is specified, then all the radio frequency coils usually become focused on the body part being imaged to allow for a better scan. Patient table. This component simply slides the patient into the MRI machine. The position at which the patient lays down on the table is determined by the part of the body that is being scanned. Computer system and antenna. The antenna detects the radio frequency signal emitted by patient body and feeds this information into the computer system. The computer system function is to receive, record and analyze the image of the patient. It interprets the data, produce an understandable image. Advantage: scanning and detection of abnormality in soft tissue. Scanning and detection of abnormality in soft tissue. There is no involvement of any kind of radiation in the MRI. There is no involvement of any kind of radiation in the MRI. MRI scan can provide information about the blood circulation and painless. Image may be acquired in multiple plane, axial, sagittal, coronal or oblique without repositioning the patient. MRI image demonstrates superior soft tissue contrast than CT scan and plain film, making it the ideal examination of the brain, spine joint and other soft tissue body parts. Disadvantage: MRI scan are considered to be safe procedure, provide you do not have any implant or object on your that must to go in the scanner. Expensive MRI scan can cause heart pacemaker, defibrillation device and cochlear implant. Thank you.